Kenya port in Kisumu, rehabilitated by the Kenya Navy under the guidance and direction of the presidents. That port will remain a white elephant unless this railway is done. This railway will carry the cargo that's going to the port. So I cannot overemphasize the importance of this railway line from Nakuru to Kisumu. And I thank His Excellency the President for entrusting KDF to undertake this work. KDF has already taken Nakuru, Nairobi, Nanyuki. It is working. KDF is here. Nakuru, Kisumu. And KDF is also going to work Gilgil, Nyahururu. This is under the great efficiency and technical expertise of KDF. Without the railway, the port in Kisumu is a white elephant. And there will be no white elephants under the Uhuru regime. This project is supported by all kinds of hands. All kinds of hands. Whether you want to call it handshake, it's all supported. We are all together in this because no country can develop on the strength of lorry cargo. How many of your relatives have been killed by this lorry cargo? And it is limited. You cannot carry the heavy load. You need a railway to develop a country. Without a railway, you are going nowhere as Kenya. Therefore, the Naivasha Malaba, ongoing. The Nairobi, Nanyuki, complete. The Gilgil, Nyahururu, coming. The Nakuru, Kisumu, ongoing. The future is bright.
My name is Zakaria Mutua, Deputy Director, NYS. I'm in charge of the NYS team that is clearing this line from Nakuru to Kisumu. We have we have two teams. One team from Nakuru, where we are now, moving towards Kisumu. Then we have another team from Kisumu that is also moving towards Nakuru. So our meeting point will be Fontanan. That is where the border of Rift Valley and Nyanza is. So we'll meet all of us there. Basically, our work here is to clear the railway lines, to ensure that the railway lines are cleared as the KDF comes in and does the other work. We've been here for about 2 weeks now. We've done about the Nakuru, from Nakuru here to Kisumu, we've done about 16 kilometers now. And then now from Kisumu again towards Nakuru, we've done about 17 kilometers now. So we're on the course. We expect also as NYS to ensure that the works are completed within a given time.
Well, part of those leases was if the land is needed for rail transport, it shall be surrendered to KR within 90 days. So we are legally on course and we shall recover all the land which has been leased. About the cultivation, this land is just, they were cultivated on the operational land. We have communicated to them that now the government need to reclaim and revamp the railways. So these people, we have stopped cultivation from today going forward.
The budgets that have been set aside for Nakuru Kisumu line is 3.8 billion. And passenger is also considered. As we construct the line, we are also looking at what we are going to do to the people along the corridor, and passenger services